First, this is what you will need: your wraps, prep kit, scissors, and file. Make sure you have watched our prep video and prepared your nails well before you start application. This is critical for wraps to last well. Now for sizing. Getting your sizing right determines if your wraps last or lift early. Note that one end of the wrap is slightly larger than the other. The biggest mistake people make in sizing is selecting wraps which are a little too big. Always choose a size slightly smaller than your natural nail. If it touches the skin or cuticle, even by a millimeter, it won't stick properly. And don't worry if you make a mistake, you can gently unpeel the wrap. And also don't feel that you have to go extra small. Find the wrap that is the best fit for your natural nail bed, like this. Place it firmly on the nail bed and spend some time really pushing it down around all the edges. Use your scissors to cut off the excess wrap, leaving around 1/2 centimeter. Wrap the excess tightly over the edge of the nail. Using the sharper edge of the file from the left corner to center and right corner to center. You'll see a white line starting to appear along the edge of your natural nail as the excess starts to separate. Now swap to the softer side to gently break off the excess wrap. Using the soft edge of the file, tidy up the edges and remove any final pieces of excess wrap. Spend another 30 seconds pushing down the wrap, especially along the edges and the tip of the nail. And repeat. And you're done. Beautiful nails, done by you. Be fearless, be mesme.